Hello guys, here we have the new speakers from SVS, the Ultra Evolution Pinnacle loudspeakers, just arrived. They are brand new in white finish. They come with black as well, and we're gonna see some details of these very big tall speakers with a lot of drivers. They are in total in both two speakers there are 8 woofers, 4 per speakers, 8-inch each, so it has drivers both sides, I mean in front and in the back on the rear. 8 inches bass drivers, and they have in front 2 mid-range drivers 5.25 inch, and in the middle there you can see the tweeter, which is very well manufactured, diamond coat tweeter, ensuring a sound that's as deep and rich as it's clear in detail. So they are using a dual opposite force cancelling design of the woofers that allows balanced and immersive audio experience, minimizing distortion and delivering precision for the audiophiles among us. So we see now the close-up of the speakers. You see the cabinet, it's not a total square box, let's say. It has some angles, some special cuts, so everything is time aligned here in order to achieve the right time when the sound reaches the listening position. It's very tall speaker, as we said. The low frequency extension goes below 30 Hz. So we see the now on the bench the speaker, the configuration in the front. This is the tweeter, you see how is designed, and the big woofer there. So we removed the drivers to see the cabinet. It's a very thick cabinet, even though the speakers are not costing very much, a lot of money compared to other audiophile or high-end loudspeakers. This one has a lot of drivers. The cabinet is a very thick wood, as you can see, very well treated inside with braces, special materials. Even the cables are very well covered with this sponge in order to absorb and not to vibrate. We see here the cone of the mid-range. As we said, the mid-range is it's 5.25 inches. This is the woofer. You see the big magnet on the back. The chassis is metallic, so it's nothing fake here. It's a real material, real drivers, real speaker. Inside the cabin, we see the other woofer on the other side. They are working in a dual opposite force cancelling design. This is the port there, and here we have the terminals, the other side of the port. Now we're looking on the back side, 2 more drivers, 2 more ports there. So every driver has its own port, let's say, on the back. Very well, guys, this speaker is excellent made, does not cost a lot, sounds very good, with accuracy, delivering a sound that true to the artist intended, as they say. SVS Ultra Evolution Pinnacle loudspeakers. Thanks for watching.